So today I'll be showing you how to write and draw on an image that's already in Google Docs. So for instance, this is a Google Docs document and I have this image here. If I want to write something or draw something on this particular image, all I have to do is select the image, right click on it, and then copy. And then now I can go and just click outside there and then go to Insert, Drawing, New. And from this drawing window, I can right click and paste my image there. So that's basically how to put that image there. And with the image there, you can now write and draw stuff on it. Okay, so for instance, if I want to put some text on this image, I can just click on the text box option, draw my text box, and write. Okay, so I can say, for instance, I can say these are AirPods, and then once I write that, I can just exit out of there. Okay, and then I can have actions. For instance, I can just rotate this thing to a different angle. Okay, I can change the font. I can do so much. So let me change the font here, just like that. So after you add text, if you want to add, if you want to draw something, like add some shapes. So for instance, you can add a circle or an arrow. You can just do so many things on this image. And then once you're done with all that, you can just click on save and close. And that's going to bring this image. Now, remember we copied the original image. So this is our new image. So you can now go ahead and delete the old image and remain with that one. So that is basically how to write and draw on images inside Google Docs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.